Oh yeah, shooting a promo. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns. That's rough handling. I should have known better. Any and everything down below. Now then. So here are two promotional packs. And what are they promoting, you ask? Not Donald Duck or Pikachu. PEZ Play. Scan and play. And here you see these are combos. So it comes with, I guess it's a 6-pack of candy. Fruit mix. And then, on the front, it comes with your dispenser. And it's held together by this wrapper. Definitely a European release. Have to be careful with Donald. Donald's starting to split. But yeah, a very cool item where it's a combination of both. Well, I mean, here's the dispenser and candy. That's a combination of both. But here's a carded dispenser and carded candy all together as one. Very cool. So until next time...